we're gonna be opening these, guys. We're gonna be unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo camera. Guys, my husband is really supporting my ministry. This is a gift. I passed one very important exam, and I was gifted this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo camera. Excitement will not kill me. Okay, what is this? Okay, the safe. Open the main camera. You see, I love these guys and their packaging. They're just very direct. The DJI mini microphone. You don't see the camera itself. Do you notice something? Something with their packaging. When people tell you that, so if I'm doing video, I know how it works. Like, started. People tell you that this camera is so card inside. So this is it here. If I'm turning, the camera head is turning. Like, it's turning with me. It's about to get late. I just turned it and then 1 second. They locked.